In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic. Start in Notion and create a new page. This gives you a clean canvas, which is the easiest way to make your layout feel intentional instead of cluttered. Once the page opens, click into the title area and type a clear dashboard name. Keep it short and consistent with the theme you want, because the title sets the tone for everything underneath. Next, add a divider. Dividers are simple, but they instantly create structure and breathing room. That spacing is a big part of an aesthetic dashboard because it helps your eyes separate sections without needing lots of extra text. Now click into the area below the divider and type in a short section heading. This heading is where you can label what the next block is for, like your daily focus or your main links. After that, insert a quote block. Quote blocks are great for visual style because they create a distinct look with minimal effort, and they work well for a short line of text or a simple statement that matches your theme. From there, change the look of your page by updating the cover. When you click Change, you can choose a new cover image. For best results, use a wide image that fits well across the top, ideally sized around 1600 by 400 pixels. If you want your dashboard to feel cohesive, make the cover match your icon style and your color palette. You can create covers in a design tool or pull inspiration from a curated image collection, but aim for one consistent vibe across your workspace. Next, head over to the Getting Started area in Notion. Click Explore to open the Template Marketplace. This is useful because polished templates can improve both function and aesthetics, especially when you want clean databases that already look organized. In the Marketplace search bar, click into the field and type Notes Database. In the results, select a Notes template. Then click Add again to add it into your workspace. If you see an option related to members or a workspace selector, click it and choose the correct place to install the template so it shows up where you want it. Once it is added, click Notes to open the new Notes page. Finally, click into the page to confirm it is ready to use as part of your dashboard setup. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.